Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can cancel a payment on Cash App. So for that you will have to go to your activity and you will only be able to cancel the payments that has not been gone through Cash App and are still pending. You cannot cancel the payment which has already gone through and has already been paid to the person who you have just selected. So if the payment is still pending, you can just head up to your activity and then open up any of the transaction that is pending. Just click on it, and after that you will be able to see the three dots on the top right hand side corner. Just click on that, and after that you will be able to see the option of cancel payment. Just click on it and you will receive your money back. But in case if you have already made the payment and the money has been gone to the other person, then you have to click on this option of request, and after that you need to select the cash tag of that particular person who has received your money by accident. Just ask them to refund your money, and this is the way you can just get your money back. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.